With UgCS 5.11, we have released UgCS Cloud. It makes it possible to automatically synchronize your routes from UgCS to the DJI remote controller running Pilot 2. This means that you no longer have to have both devices on the same Wi-Fi network, and it also means that you can now access your routes from anywhere, as long as you have an active internet connection. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do that and how you can get started. So here you can see we are already inside of UgCS 5.11. And in front of me, I have two different routes already planned in here. And now let's get started by signing up to UgCS Cloud. To do that, here in the top bar, you see we now have this new cloud icon. Now let's click here and then let's press on sign in. Now on this screen, let's go down here and select sign up. Now on the screen, enter your email address and select continue. And now you will receive a 6-digit code to your email. So just take the code from the email and enter it here. Okay, now let's press on continue. And after that, once the email has been verified, now we can enter a password. And now on the next screen, after you have already input your password, then here you just have to accept and move further. Okay, and once you see the screen, this means that the sign in has been successful and you can now close this tab and go back to UgCS. And now here inside of UgCS, you can already see that we are currently signed in. The data mode is currently set to push only. What this means is that currently the data is synchronized from the computer to the cloud, but it's not synchronized between different computers. That's an important point. And here, a few other things you might have noticed. Number one is that now when we move the mouse to the cloud icon, we can see that we are now online. And next is that these routes, which are for the Mavic 3 Enterprise drone, so you can see that these have been already uploaded to the cloud, which is indicated by this different icon. So the cloud with the green check mark in the middle. And now once that is done, the next step is we can take our remote controller and we can do the same process. So we can go to the login page. So we can go to Open Platforms, and then here under Open Platforms, we need to input the address https:// and then just type in cloud.ugcs.com. Next, simply press on Connect. Now in this page, you will again be prompted to log in. So again, just enter your email address and enter your password. Now select Continue. If everything has been successful, you will see this screen in which you simply need to select your mission. So to do that, tap here and then you will see a list of all of your missions in UgCS. Currently, I only have one mission that's called Mission 1, and I can select it, and now you can see that this is the selected mission. Now I can go back, and then to simply access all of your routes, you need to go into the Flight Route section of DJI Pilot 2, select the Cloud tab, and you can see that both routes, which I now have also here on my UgCS screen in the computer, both of these routes are visible here. Now I can tap on route 1, and you can see, so this is exactly this photogrammetry route that I have planned already inside of UgCS. So you can launch any of these routes directly here from the Cloud tab, or alternatively, if you know that when you go out to the field you will not have any internet connectivity, also what you can do is you can select the routes and then you can download them to the local library on DJI Pilot 2, and over here as well. You can open them up and then you will be able to access them and also launch them even when you will not have the cloud connection to UgCS. So to summarize, now with the release of UgCS 5.11, it's possible to automatically have your routes synchronized from the computer to your Pilot 2 running on your DJI's remote controller. We hope this is useful for you. If you have any questions, leave them down in comments below. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.